What's going on, guys? So we're in the shop right now, and we gotta go ahead and remove the oil pan so we can start stripping out the block. We're gonna go ahead and remove the piston and the connecting rods. So it's pretty simple. Gotta remove this bolt, this one here, that one, and all these are all around. So yeah, we're about to do that right now. So here we go. Alright, as you guys can see, we just removed the oil pan. So now we about to remove this cover right here. I believe it's I think it's just one bolt, and it should just come out. And then you got the oil pump right here. So once you remove that, it's gonna give you access to the connecting rods bolt. Alright, now to remove the oil pump, it's gonna spin, so you gotta put like a flathead like this, somewhere like this, and then you can crank it loose, and then you have two bolts left. You have one to the left and one to the right, and then it should come out. You don't necessarily have to remove the crank gear, so yeah, so that's how you get it off. Alright, so we just got done breaking the bolts loose. Now after you remove the cap, make sure you catch the piston so it won't fall around. I mean, if my shit fall down, I don't give a fuck, because you know, we got no piston. So anyway, yeah, so that's all we gotta do. We gotta remove the caps, and she will catch the piston, and, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm putting the piston rings right now, and so the very first ring, I think it's called the oil scripper. You want it to be, right next to the wristband, so it's in the middle right here. And the bottom oil ring, you want it to be to the right, like an inch or two to the right. And it's the same thing for the top left. And then your second ring, you want it to be, I would move it somewhere right here, right? And then your very top one, you want it to be on the opposite side. So you want it to be like right here. All right, so that's how I'm gonna install it. And then when I put this in, there's a number right here. So we want all the numbers to be facing the same way. So this number, that number gonna be facing where your dipstick is, so it's gonna be towards that way. And there's a little notch right here on the piston. I'm also gonna put every single one of them the same way, like this one. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to put this one in. We have this tool right here. It's pretty easy to use. So we pretty much just go over this and then you tighten it up and pretty much drop it in. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now. All right, guys, so you want the tool, you want it like this, you know, not too low, but not too high. You want it right in the middle, and you want to make sure you tighten this up, and then and make sure you put some lube and some assembly lube on the bearing, both sides, on both sides. And what I do is, there's a number right here, right? And you want it to be facing the oil dipstick, which is that way. And also there's a little notch right here. So you want to make sure everything is going on the same side. So you pretty much put it in. You're gonna feel it drop, so. There you go. And now you just push down. You don't have to hit it. You don't have to do any of that. Push down. And just keep checking make sure it stays tight. So we gotta do it over. So I'll try it a second time. Alright, so I'm gonna push down. Here you go. And now you just gotta, you know, catch it from the bottom, and then you want to make sure you install this the same way the other number was facing. And you want to make sure you tighten it up, and that's pretty much it. I got one more I gotta do, and then after this we gotta get head gasket, rear end seal, and then yeah, we're moving pretty fast. So right now it's looking pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So make sure you subscribe and get ready for the next one.